the easiest way to deposit money in Quotex account with a smartphone. So I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Quotex account step by step using your smartphone. So guys, make sure you watch this video to the end and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Okay, so without wasting so much time, let's begin. So this method that I'm going to show you right now allows you to deposit a minimum of $10 and also withdraw a minimum of $10. Okay, so it's the best method for people who have small accounts. Okay, so now for you to deposit money in Quotex with this method that I'm going to show you right now, you need to have a crypto wallet. And as for me, I'm using Binance crypto wallet. So you need to have a Binance account and deposit some money in your Binance account. You can see the Binance account already has $10. So we want to transfer this $10 to Quotex here. We want to transfer it here. Okay, step by step. Okay, so you need to do this. First of all, you go and check if you have enough money in your Binance account. So as you can see, we have $10, of which that is the amount we want to deposit. No charges. It is free to transfer money from Binance to Quotex. They will not charge you anything. It is free. That's why I prefer Binance. So if you don't have a Binance account, register with the link in the description or in the comment section. Okay, then you create your Binance account, and I will also leave the link of a video showing you how to deposit money into your Binance account. Yes, I will leave the link in the description and in the comment section also. Go and watch that video and learn how to deposit money into your Binance account. So now we have money in our Binance account. Now we want to deposit it to Quotex. So now we go back to Quotex. Then we go to deposit button. We click that deposit button at the right top there. You click on it, then you will see all the methods, payment methods. You can see Visa, MasterCard, M-Pesa, Momo, Perfect Money, Binance Pay, USD Tether and etc. So we are going to use cryptocurrencies methods, which is we are going to use this first one, Binance Pay. Binance Pay. So you click on that Binance Pay. So you can see minimum amount is 10 and the maximum amount is 53,489. That is the minimum amount to deposit and the maximum amount. Okay, now you need to change the amount. You need to edit the amount here, the amount that you want to deposit. Okay, there. So now before we change the amount, before we put the amount, you need to know that they also provide bonus. They also provide bonus. So you can see here we have 20% bonus. They are saying they will give you 20% if you deposit more than $50. Then they will give you 25% if you deposit more than 100. They will give you 30% if you deposit more than $150. They will give you 35% if you deposit more than 300. So that means if I want to deposit like $50, they will give me an extra 20%. Okay, yeah. So that's it, guys. So if you want to get some extra cash, you can use the bonus, but since we are going to put the small amount, there is no bonus for us. There is no bonus for us. So we are going to deposit $10. So after editing $10, you go to deposit here, deposit. Okay, now you click on deposit. Then you wait. So we are waiting for QR code, the QR code to scan. Okay, so here we are going to scan the QR code. Okay, good. So now you can see this is the QR code we are supposed to scan to allow the transaction to take place. So now we are going to take a screenshot of this QR code. So I'm going to take a screenshot. Okay, so I'm going to take a screenshot. There we go. Then I crop it. I crop the code, this QR code. Then I save. So now I've saved. So if you have taken a screenshot, after taking the screenshot, just go back like this and go to your Binance. Okay, after shifting to Binance, you click on this QR code scanner. It's here. This is the scanner, QR code scanner. Okay, so you'll click on this box like that, then it will open your camera. So this camera is the one you'll use to scan that code in case you are depositing with your laptop. Okay, you will just open your Binance and scan on your laptop that QR code scanner on Quotex. Okay, but since we are using smartphone, we are just going to upload that photo, that screenshot. Okay, so we are going to click on this upload QR code. Okay, that button. So you click on that like that, then you go to your gallery. Okay, you go to your gallery, here it is, then boom, then you upload it. Then you can see they are asking you to continue. Then you continue, then you put your password or verification, security verification. What you can see, I always use my fingerprint, so I'll just put my fingerprint, then boom. So you can see payment successfully. Then if you shift here, it will start loading. You see, it is now loading. They are receiving the money. They have received the money. Now they are depositing into your account. So give it time. Boom, you can see the $10 is now in your what? In your Quotex account. You can see it's as easy as ABCD. So if you come back here, you can see the money is gone now. So if you refresh, you can see it's now 0. So we don't have our $10 anymore. It's in the trading account now. So guys, now let's talk about withdrawal. Now we want to withdraw this money into our Binance account. So if you want to withdraw it back to your Binance account, let's say you have made some profit and now you want to withdraw, you will just come here, then withdrawal, then you wait. Then you can see the minimum amount to withdraw is $10. Okay, so you can see the method is Binance Pay. You choose Binance Pay, then receive type. Here receive type you select, that's where you change it to Binance ID. So you will send it to, so the Binance ID is now your account number. So you go, where do you get your Binance ID? You go back to your Binance, then you go to your profile, then you can see this is the ID 7430 on top here, this one. So you copy that ID, you long press. Okay, you long press on that. Let me long press like that. Copied successfully. you just hold that number and copy it, then you place the ID, then you confirm. Okay, after confirming, within 5 to 10 minutes the amount will be transferred into your Binance account. It's as easy as A, B, C, D. Okay, so that's how to withdraw the money from Quotex to Binance. Okay, so guys, that's all. I'm not going to withdraw. I'm going to leave it like that. So this is not my account, this is one of my students' account. So I just wanted to show you with her account how to deposit money in Quotex account. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you have learned something. So make sure you share this video to people who would also like to learn how to deposit money in Quotex. And if you have not subscribed, kindly make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to like and share this video. Okay, yes, so thanks for watching guys. Let's meet in the next video.